Hi guys, welcome to Cebu CM. Today we're here with, of course,
Martin, give me this.
this one,
This
her
is-
sister, the nice little Ryan, Rowan and Nate.
You say hi.
Den. Say hi to the vlog, Den. Say hi fans. And the parents. But the most important player here could be me or the food.
The food. Say hi.
Ooh. Mom. Say something.
Hi mga kakaliw.
Hello.
Let's eat.
Let's eat.
Scholar that is the future about to receive from life only to Jesus Christ, your Son, our Lord. Amen. Thank you for bringing him and Martin here safe and sound, and the food in our front. Amen. Father, Son, and Spirit.
Flounder.
Ang isda na, no?
Gani pa doon
Sige, dire.
Bawi.
And then a patong for some reason.
Try download this game.
Yum share.
Mix bro.
Hindi man, kani ba?
Kanin na utos no.
Ito na ang after.
Ayaw, makaon mo na niya, ma.
After
Ayaw,
effect.
makaon mo na niya.
So ano yung buntag?
Baon na ni mo, ma.
You take coffee with your cream, you squeak like a teen, and the Hugh Grant stuff you've watched enough, you mumble it in your dreams. You rock out on a broom and mangle some tunes. On weekends you dance in jammy pants until the afternoon. And I know it's hard to think that someone could be insane.